Guys, today we are going to talk about the topic circuit digital fire alarm. For the completion of this project, we need some components, and they are Arduino Uno R3. It is a microcontroller board based on the AT-MEGA3289. It has 14 digital input or output pins, and then temperature sensor. It is shortly named as TMB36, and it is used to for is a low voltage precision centigrade temperature sensor, and it is provide a voltage output that is linearly proportional to the Celsius temperature. And here it comes up here. So it is used to detect the pressure variations in sound waves, which can then convert it to electrical signal for processing. And then 1K resistor, most likely used to simulate a rather large capacitor ESK value. And then gas sensor, they are the electronic devices that are detect and identify the different types of gases. And then we have to notice the changes and how is the process is going on. Moving on to the connection, connect 5 volt to power, and then ground to ground. And then connect the Arduino A0 to gas sensor A1. Then connect Arduino A1 to temperature sensor Vout. And then short the ground and the power. And then we have to connect the B1, H1, B2 of gas sensor to power. And then connect H1 to of gas sensor to the ground. And then connect the 1K resistor in A2 of gas sensor to the ground. And then connect piezo negative to the ground, and then connect the piezo positive to Arduino D7. And then connect the temperature sensor to power to power. And then connect the temperature sensor ground to ground. And at last, we are gonna connect the red LED with 1K resistor in Arduino ground and D13. And then we have to clear all the default code, and then enter the program code. and then open the serial monitor and start simulation. And then we have to adjust the gas, so then we can notice a change in the gas on the serial monitor. So then that red LED glows whenever the temperature is rises, so that the red LED will glow whenever the temperature is higher in this process. So that's it. So I think all of you understand the process of circuit digital fire alarm, and it is a small representation video, and you all, I think you all understand, and thank you all.